Hello everyone, welcome to Teachingsparks. So today I am back with another video of English lesson plan for B.Ed D.el.ed and which is on the topic David begins a new life. The lesson plan shared today in this video consists of demo charts as well as beautiful blackboard work. So before any further ado, let's get it started. Do like, comment and subscribe my channel for more such videos on educational stuff and B.Ed stuff. When we make a lesson plan, on the top comes subject, topic, date, class, period and time period. Then our first point is of general aims. I have written here 5 general aims, which are students will develop interest in English, students will be able to understand the difficult words, students will be able to develop their reasoning power, and students will be able to gain knowledge about English. Next point is of specific objective. What are the specific objectives which we are aiming that our students will get after reading the chapter? Those are: first, students will be able to read the story, students will be able to explain the story, students will be able to write the difficult word, and students will be able to explain the story by themselves. And then the next point is of teaching aid, in which I have made a beautiful chart which you will see in the slides ahead. Then our next point is of expected previous knowledge of the students, in which we have to write what is the knowledge which our students already have. Then our fifth point is of introduction, in which we have to ask a few questions and have to write the expected answers of that questions. Then in the sixth point, which is of statement of aim, we will tell our students about the chapter which we are going to study in the class. Then the seventh point is of presentation. These 2 pages which are coming ahead shows my presentation of the chapter. For this chapter, I have made a chart which is in the shape of a bag, and inside this, I have written the difficult words. So this is the next page of my presentation. Here you can see the blackboard work and all the points in which I have divided the chapter for my presentation. So in the 8th point of generalization, the teacher generalizes that the students have gained knowledge about the first part of the story, David begins a new life, and the next part will be continued in the next class. Then the next point is of recapitulation, in which we have to ask a few questions. And then last point is of concluding statement, in which we conclude that today in the class we have studied a chapter known as David begins a new life. And then the last 11th point is of homework, in which we give homework to our students, and last comes the teacher signature and the supervisor signature. If you really find my videos to be helpful and creative, then do like my video and please subscribe my channel.